everyone, and welcome back to Teach English with KathyB. If you've been thinking about teaching English online in 2025, maybe you want to work from home, travel more, or just earn some extra income, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to get started teaching English online this year, step by step. We'll cover everything from getting qualified to setting up your own teaching space to finding your first students. And I'll share how you can get ongoing support, resources, and community inside my Teach English with KathyB membership. So grab a notebook and let's get stuck in. Let's see why 2025 is the best time to start. The online English teaching industry has changed so much, and 2025 is honestly one of the best times ever to start. The demand for English teachers is rising again, especially in Asia, Europe, and Latin America. More students and more schools are choosing online learning because it's so flexible, it's affordable, and it is accessible from anywhere. And here's the best part. You no longer need to be a native speaker or have years of classroom experience to teach online. If you can communicate clearly, you have a passion for helping others, and you are willing to learn, you can start right where you are at. Plus, with tools like AI, Canva, and ChatGPT, preparing lesson is now even easier than ever. So if you've been waiting for the right time, then this is your sign. This is it. Let's have a look at step 1 and getting qualified. The first thing, of course, that most companies look for is a TEFL or a TESOL certificate. Now, don't overthink it. You don't need the most expensive one. 120-hour accredited TEFL course is enough to get you started. But look for reputable names like the TEFL Academy, Premier TEFL, or I2I TEFL. Avoid those cheap, unaccredited ones that promise certificates in just a few hours. They're often not accepted by online schools. Inside my membership, I share a list of affordable, legitimate TEFL providers that are acceptable by most online platforms. So if you are unsure which one to take, I've got you covered. Once you've got your certificate, you're officially ready to apply for online teaching jobs. Let me know in the comments if you have already got your TEFL certificate or if you're still going to be doing it and maybe you're not sure which TEFL certificate to go. Pop in the comments and let me see where you are at. Okay, let's go on to step number 2, and that is set up your teaching tools and your space. Let's talk about your teaching setup. Now, don't worry, you don't need fancy, expensive equipment. But here is what I recommend and what I have found useful for myself. And that is a laptop or a desktop with a good webcam. If you don't have a good webcam with your computer then or laptop, then just go and buy a really good one. A headset with a clear microphone and noise cancelling, good lighting, even a ring light helps a lot. Okay, a ring light is fantastic, especially if you live in South Africa and sometimes we have load shedding. A ring light you can plug into your computer when the power goes out. So it's really great and very helpful. And a simple, tidy background like a blank wall or bookshelf works really great. And if you are going to be tutoring kids, you want to have a nice colorful background. You can start with free tools like Zoom, Google Slides, and Canva to create your own lessons if you are doing private lessons or if you're working for a marketing platform. Inside my membership, I share video tutorials showing you how to create engaging online lessons, even if you've never designed a lesson before. Remember, students aren't looking for perfection. They want a teacher who makes learning fun, who makes learning clear, and makes learning comfortable for them. So if you can do that, then you're already on a good start. Okay, so step 3, finding online teaching jobs. And a lot of people say this is really difficult for them. Once you're ready, it's time to find your first job. There are so many platforms that hire new teachers in 2025. Some of my top recommendations are Cambly, perfect for beginners and no degree required. Preply, great for setting your own rates. italki allows you to build long-term relationships with students. An Amazing Talker, which I personally really love, is so growing so fast and offers flexible scheduling. You can set your own hours and you have a chance to build up a relationship with your students. Each platform has its pros and cons, but they all give you the experience and the confidence that you need to grow. If you're from South Africa or another non-native country, don't worry. Many companies are now open to teachers worldwide. Inside my membership, I share on a monthly basis an updated list of companies that are currently hiring with application tips and example intro videos, so you always know where to apply next. Step 4, let's get private students. Okay, so once you've gained a bit of experience with either an online school or working at a marketing platform, maybe the next step is to start to build your own student base. This is where you can really start earning more money and taking full control of your own schedule. You can find private students by sharing your teaching journey on social media, joining Facebook groups for English learners, offering trial lessons through LinkedIn or a simple website, and asking for referrals from your happy students. The majority of my private students have come from happy students that I already have who have been referring all of their friends. And so my student base is growing and growing from referrals. Inside my membership, I teach you a full strategy on how to attract private students, how to price your lessons, and how to use free tools like Canva and ChatGPT to create lesson materials. You don't need a really big following. You just need consistency and you need confidence. Let's look at step number 5. Stay motivated and keep growing. Teaching online can be so rewarding, but like any career, it takes consistency. There will be slow days, cancellations, and moments that you just doubt yourself. But that's okay. The key is having a support system and ongoing training to keep you motivated. And that's exactly why I created the Teach English with KathyB membership, to help teachers just like you to grow, to stay inspired, and never feel alone in the journey. Inside, you're going to get 2 monthly coaching calls, weekly job updates, daily motivational posts, guest speaker sessions, workshop replays and resources, and a community of teachers to cheer you on. If you're serious about teaching online, this is where you are going to find guidance, encouragement, and clarity every step of the way. So there you have it, your step-by-step guide to starting your own English teaching career. You now know how to get qualified, how to set up your tools, where to find jobs, how to get private students, and how to keep growing long-term with me. If you're looking for help on how to do your CV and introduction videos, a little bit of tips, go back to one of my previous videos where you'll see there is a live replay from a workshop that we did recently. Go and watch that and you might find some helpful tips in there. But now it's time to take action. If you've loved my help and support and you would love a community behind you, click the link in the description to join the Teach English with KathyB membership. It's affordable, it's beginner friendly, and it's packed with everything you need to start and succeed as an online English teacher. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe to the channel and comment below with your biggest takeaway or with any of your questions that you might have. I can't wait to see you inside the community and to help you in this journey. And I will see you next time. Goodbye for now.